Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Miss Jiang. Today we're going to use simple ingredients to make chicken fried rice as good as the takeout one. Look at that. We're using chicken breasts today. First, cut the chicken breast into 2 thinner slices. Cut into strips. Slice into bite sizes. Let's marinate the chicken. Add in the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, white pepper powder, cornstarch. Mix allow all the ingredients evenly coated on the chicken. Add a little bit of oil at the very last. Let's dice some carrots. Prepare some green onions. Mince some garlic. Heat it up your fry pan on medium-high heat. Add a touch of oil. Toss the minced garlic in. Saute until the garlic releases the aroma. This will help to add a lovely touch of garlic taste of a dish. Add in the marinated chicken. Saute the chicken 2 to 3 minutes. In this process, we don't need to add in any additional seasoning because we already add in enough seasoning while we marinated the chicken. Once the chicken is half cooked, add in the diced carrots. Saute until the chicken and carrots is fully cooked. Once the chicken and carrots are cooked, take them out. Use the same pan. Add a touch of oil. Crack some eggs in. Here I used 2 to 3 eggs. Then cook them. Once the egg is cooked, add in 2 to 3 cups of rice. Mix the rice evenly with the eggs. You might have a question, how do I know my eggs is cooked? Just like I showed you in the video, that is okay. You just don't want to be too liquid or overcooked. Too liquid, you will not see the egg pieces in the dish while you're eating because all the eggs were coated on the rice. Too dry might create a hard chew texture that we don't want. Whatever comes out for the first 1 or 2 tries, it is okay. Practice make it perfect, right? Here is the secret ingredients. A tablespoon of lard. If you don't have lard, don't worry about. In the next video, I will show you how to make homemade lard. Lard will enhance the rich and savory taste of this dish and satisfy your taste buds. Then mix in dark soy sauce and soy sauce mixture. Dark soy sauce will give a beautiful color of the dish and soy sauce just for the taste. And gradually add in the rest of the soy sauce mixture. Pour the soy sauce on the fried pan instead of the rice. While the liquid touches the hot surface, will create 锅气. Will create a smoky and savory taste to enhance the flavor of the dish. Now we add in the chicken and the carrots. Give a good toss until all the ingredients are evenly mixed. Garnish with green onions. Now our chicken fried rice is ready to be served. Look at this. Enjoy! I will leave the printable recipe link in the description in case you want to give this recipe a try. If you liked this recipe, please leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.